Anyways, let's head over to our chart of S&P's 500, which is precisely following our counts. So if you guys are not following from the last few webinars, I like to point out that we were able to catch the S&P's 500 fall. And I specifically said that if this market goes below this channel, or you can also take this level, both of these levels were mentioned below 39.27, then it's a sell short, clear sell short. And the predicted pattern is a zigzag pattern. A zigzag pattern basically is as you might have heard me say, is 5 down, 3 up, and 5 down pattern. First leg down is called the A down, the B up, and then the C down. So basically, long story short, we were able to catch this fall from here around 39.55, roughly speaking. And it's currently still following our count and still falling down from this count which I have on screen. So currently what I have is that if you magnify is this wave A, this wave, and what you will see is something like this. Let me magnify it roughly. So you will see something like 1 down, 2 up, 3 down, 4 up, and 5 down. Right. So in this particular case, I have, as you can see on chart, already pointed out 1 down, 2 up. This is your 3 down, 4 up, and this is going down for the 5th. So it's currently a short, right? And because I posted it in my private Slack group many hours ago, I think 4 or 5 hours ago. So we have already caught this re-entry of shorts. The minimum target for this short will be below wave 3 low. Again, I can be more specific, go to a shorter time frame or do some fib projections, but it's not really required. In these kind of trades, if you are able to catch it early on, you can just trail the profits. So only people who are into forecasting too much and not into trading talk too much about profits, targets, etc., etc. If you are a trader, you will know what I'm trying to say here. We just trail it and we move from one trade to another. So my take on S&P is very clear here. It's still a sell short. It's moving as expected. If you were able to catch it when we predicted it the first time, then just keep trailing it, right? According to your entry, obviously. Nothing to add here. While I talk, it will still continue to go down. Other thing to point out or worth pointing out here is that this market can see some reversal for this wave B, because once this A is down, then there's a small B up. Right? Remove this clutter. So keep in mind the cells, even though they are looking very strong, they won't last forever. Nothing really does. So let it fall and keep trailing your positions according to your entry. And this also points me to one other reason why you should keep attending all these webinars and not miss a single one. That if you had caught it right when it first was suggested, then you could trail it. And at this point, there is no point in much listening to me because it's already following our count. We are not doing anything new here. So keep attending these webinars live, guys. They are live because they are trading opportunities. And once you miss one webinar, the opportunity might be gone. That's my take on S&P. Nothing new to add. I'll wait for a few moments to check the comments. If you guys, by the way, were able to catch it with me when we first talked about it, it would be nice if you can post that in the comment section for others to see. John is saying, I'm short in S&P at the moment. Happy. Can you use a stop loss on the current movement? So, John, I don't know what entry level you have. Neither do I know what risk you can afford. So, I will not be suggesting you any stop loss level. But what I can tell you here is that the wave 4 generally should not go higher than this 39.17 level. And because there's a huge speed, I personally will not be interested in holding this short if it goes higher than what is this 38.90 level. So I personally will not be interested in holding shorts if it crosses 38.90 to the upside. First thing. Secondly, if it crosses wave 3 lower, then I definitely even don't care about 38.90. Then I will trail it within this range. Getting the point? Within below this last entire. I think you should be able to catch it. It's quite simple. So that's the way I am playing it. I hope this helps you. Next chart is still trailing it. Oh, MF Darwals is also in the shorts and trailing it. Nice. So next chart is the chart of Nifty 50. Let's head over to it. And before we head over to the next chart, Nifty and then Bitcoin. If you guys are liking this content, you gotta share it with at least 3 people in your group, Telegram, WhatsApp, or whatever you use, Discord, where traders are, like your trading groups. And if you don't have any such access to any of these groups, then just share it on your Twitter and tag me along. My handle is at the rate of 50 eyes. Where's that? Let me just show you quickly. So this is my Twitter feed, 50 eyes, 50 underscore EYES. So you can just follow me to get updates on the next webinar. The links are all posted here. So what I'm asking you to share is that so that more people can join in the next webinars. What was that? So more people can join in the next webinar, and our participations can increase. And these trading view algorithm as well as YouTube algorithm, I believe they do take notice of where the audience is coming from. So if more people are clicking in from external links and new audience is coming in, that's good for us. Keep in mind, guys, more participation means more good content to come. So let's now head